Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have a scene. Now optimize units and aspect ratio so your camera framing matches output. First, create a camera object and rename it. This keeps the outliner tidy and avoids confusion later. Once done, switch the viewport to that camera and check editor versus renderer visibility. You want the camera to control the view during animation. Also set a focal length that matches your intent, because focal length controls perspective and dramatic feeling. You need precise movement, so either parent the camera to a null and animate that, or add a target tag for reliable look-at behavior. This keeps rotation intuitive. Then refine focal length and aperture to shape depth of field. Depth choices affect perceived scale, so tweak while observing render previews. For smoother paths, create a spline and use align to spline with eased keyframes. As you go, scrub the timeline to confirm motion arcs and avoid sudden pops in framing. To finish, run a quick region or low-resolution preview so you can validate framing and exposure without long waits. Then set render camera to your camera object, confirm clipping planes and near/far values so geometry isn't cut off, and finalize depth of field settings, because small aperture changes can ruin a shot. If you encounter jittery motion, make sure keyframes use smooth tangents or enable subframe interpolation. And if the camera seems off, reset transforms and reapply constraints to clear hidden offset issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.